So this is Poundland stand. I don't know. This is concealer. It says here they have it in toffee number 4. Ooh, matte bronzer. So yeah, we're definitely getting this one. Need an eyeliner. This is a black eyeliner, I'm presuming. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deborah back again with another video for you guys. So as you can already tell from the title, today we are doing a full face of Poundland makeup tutorial, and as you can also tell, we have a different background today. The reason being is because I want this makeup to come out natural. Like, I want you guys to see the real color, the real shade and everything. That's why I'm not using my full studio light today. We're just using the ring light today. My shoe background, a lot of people love it, a lot of people don't love it, but oh well. As you can also tell, my editing today is different from what I normally do. I don't want to give away this look. I want us to do it together and come out with the finished result together. So I'm not giving it away with the slow motion the way I always do at the beginning of my video. Before we get started with this makeup look, as always, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoy it, and don't forget to also subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. It's really easy to subscribe and it's free, and when you do subscribe, as always, make sure you also turn on your bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any new video on this channel. And make sure you also comment in the comment box below if you have any requests or any video you want to see on this channel next. So without any further ado, we're gonna jump into this makeup look. So right here I have a bag filled with the Poundland product. If you guys hear me say Primark here, forgive me because I keep getting my words mixed up today. If I say Primark, ignore it. Just know I mean Poundland, £1 store. That's what I mean, okay? So with me here, I got a whole lot of Poundland makeup right here, and I think I still have my receipt here with me. Got a receipt right here, and I think everything added up to £12. I also have 2 products from Poundland that I use on a regular basis. I'm gonna add that to the look as well, which is the glitter eyeliner right here, the silver one and the gold one. I use them on a regular basis. So let's say everything added up to £14. So let's say this is a full face of £14, like £14 full face makeup. Let's say that's what this video is all about. So with me here, I'm gonna show you guys the product really quick before we get started. So I got that foundation right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is what it looks like, and it says it's a long-lasting foundation which contains the UVA and UVB filters. Really don't know what that means, okay? And I got this in the shade Golden Sand 7. We don't know if this is my shade, but anyways, Jesus Christ will take the wheel. So the next product we picked up, you know what, let me just bring all this out at once because I don't want to waste time. I want us to get straight into this video. Okay, so I got 3 powders right here. So this is their, what's this one? This is that pressed powder, and this looks a little bit like a banana powder. That's why I got it. This is not my shade because come on, dark skin, but we're gonna try to make this look work today. And then they also have their matte bronzer right here, and they have their highlighter powder right here. So those are the 3 powders I got. We have their mascara right here, and we have 2 concealers because one was too dark and one was too light, so I decided to get 2 concealers. And then we have their lip liner right here, and we have their matte lipstick. I think, yeah, this is the matte lip color. They said lip gloss is matte, so I've got those 2 right there. The eyeshadow looks something like this. They didn't have something that was calling out to me, so I was like, you know what, I might as well just go with this one because it's a bit natural. So that's what we have. And then we have their black eyeliner. I don't know if this is the darkest they have. I just picked it and I just left. Like, I was getting a bit tired of just sitting there looking for shades that are gonna fit me. And then I also got this. This is actually meant to be a eyeliner, so I thought this was a eyebrow kit. I mean an eyebrow pencil, but it's an eyeliner, but we're still going to use it as our eyebrow pencil just for this look today. So I think that's everything we got from Poundland. So we're gonna get started. Since they don't have a face primer and a finishing spray, I'm gonna use my Health face primer and my Health finishing spray because those are on the affordable side. So we're gonna go straight in with the elf. Okay, we're gonna jump straight into this foundation. So this is the foundation right here. Like I told you, it's in the shade Golden Sand 7. Okay. Ooh. Okay. That is definitely not my shade. Okay, Deborah, don't judge yet. Don't judge yet. Let's blend it in. So what I've done, I went in with the brush, tried to like take out any excess that is on my face and try to like level everything up because it wasn't working at all. So with this brush right now, what I did, it's a lot better. Can you guys see how pink I look here? Anyways, now we're gonna move on. So we got two concealers, like I already said. We got one in the shade Toffee number 4, and we also got another one in the shade Warm Beige number 3. This is how Warm Beige looks. Can you guys see that? This is how Toffee looks. Okay, so before we go into this concealer, I need to even tell you what is written on it. That concealer claims it's a natural coverage. Okay, we all know what that means. It means nothing is gonna come out, but we're going to try our best. Anyways, it's showing. Guys, can you see anything? Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna lie, it is creamy. Gosh, can you guys see how I'm using force just so I can have like a proper coverage? This would have been nice as a foundation anyways, because it's, should I even go over my face with this as my foundation? It's gonna be cheating. I don't want to cheat. Okay, I don't want to cheat, but at the same time I want this to work. So I'm just gonna bring this down a little bit. Okay, bring this to my forehead a bit so I can have a bit of coverage. Let's blend this out first because I just noticed this is moving product around. Okay, I think that actually brought me down a bit to my color. Okay guys, I feel like we're on a good start right now. Let me use this brush a bit. Okay, I got a good coverage. Warm Beige. Let's see if it's gonna give us highlight or not. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna hit myself with the way I use so much pressure on this product. I don't want to use my beauty blender because I feel like it's just sucking the product. It's not really helping. So I'm just gonna use a tiny brush like so to try and keep the product from moving too much. These products are really creamy. Maybe this is why they are gliding too much. It's really creamy. Everything I've put on my face so far, it's really creamy. So let's go into setting this. Okay, so we got the pressed powder right here, and this is in the shade Honey Beige 3. Wait, is it the same shade as the concealer? Yeah, so it's the same shade as the concealer we just used to highlight our under eyes. So we're gonna use this to set it basically. They have baby powder smell. It has a baby powder smell. Guys, I'm not trying to set this product up for fail. I'm really trying to make it work. As you guys can see, I'm actually using it the way I normally do my makeup. Now we're gonna go into their bronzer, which is in the shade Matte Medium 2. Since we don't have any contour, we're hoping this bronzer is gonna give us a bit of a contour. Ooh, yes it is. Okay, Now to set the whole of my face, since we don't have a finished powder, we're gonna do some miracle today. So we're going into the pressed powder, and we're also going into the bronzer together. So we do this and do that and try to get a finished powder color. We're gonna move on to the eyes. Jesus Christ, take the wheel. So we're gonna go back to the warm beige 3 to prime our eyes. Oh my god, I really messed it up with the way I was using so much energy with it. So just gonna grab a brush and I'm just gonna blend this down. So I'm gonna go back to the bronzer and I'm gonna be using this as my transition color. Just gonna, as you can see, I'm not blending because this is not a pigmented product. I'm just patting it down because I really want it to show. Now we're gonna move on to the eyeshadow. Right there, it's actually a duo eyeshadow. It says this duo contains a blend of super soft powders with vitamin E, carries radiance for her long-lasting wear. Okay, let's say that's gonna do what it really said it was gonna do. Let's try a cut crease and see if this is gonna work. Okay, let's go back to the warm beige. Just gonna use a flathead brush, just gonna go in there, grab as many as I can, and then I'm gonna cut the crease. Let's see if this is even gonna come out. We're gonna pick up the gold one first and we're gonna put it at the beginning of that. Ooh, okay. The eyeshadow might be something. Ooh, I like what I'm seeing so far with the eyeshadow. Really surprised me right there when I placed it down. So we're gonna grab the dark one now, which is this right here. Let's see how this one is gonna come up. Let's put this out there. Ooh, that's a look right there. Let's do something. Let's help this look out. We need to help this look out. So I'm gonna go into the makeup gallery, because other products are made by makeup gallery anyways. Glitter eyeliner, this shade right here, and I'm gonna use this to cut my crease, and let's see how this look is gonna come out. So now we're gonna go into the black eyeliner. I hope this is black. If this turns out to be blue, is a whole well situation we got going on. So now let's go into this silver glitter. Really don't even know where I'm gonna put this. Let's put this in our inner tear duct area, and I'm gonna go into the gold one as well to mix them together, so we have two shades going on. I'm gonna go into the silver black eyeliner, and we're just gonna go underneath the line we just made. Okay guys, now that we're done with the two eyes, let's move on to the eyebrows. Like I told you guys, I didn't buy any eyebrow product because they did have an eyebrow kit, like how would I call it, yeah, eyebrow kit that is more like the powder, but I thought this was a pencil and this was what I ended up getting, but it's an eyeliner. So we're gonna have to use this one today then. I'm gonna line my eyes with the eyeliner we just used as our eyebrow pencil. So let's line it. Okay, so grabbing the brush from the eyeshadow quad, the brown one, we're just gonna use the leftover to smoke our under eyes out like so. Let's move on to the mascara. So we're gonna be using the mascara right here. If this mascara is good, this will be something I'll be using on a regular basis. Let's go for the highlight. So we're gonna go for the highlighting powder right here, and we're gonna use this to highlight our face real quickly. Ooh, oh yeah. Ooh, that's not a bad highlight. We're gonna quickly set our face. We're using our e.l.f. face spray right here to set our face. Oh, that smells beautiful. Okay, and we're gonna let that dry quickly. And while that is getting dried, we're gonna move on to the final step, which is the lip. So we're gonna line our lip with the lip liner. What shade is this? Okay, this is in the shade 9B1. It's like a berry color, so let's go for that. I'm gonna stop right there, and then we're gonna go in with the matte lip color. What shade is this? Okay, this is in the shade Soft Rose 5.